We expect by 2020, there will be over 80 million of these devices shipping every year. At Microsoft, we created Hololens to push what's possible in mixed reality. Hololens runs a version of Windows that we call Windows Holographic. Windows Holographic includes a holographic shell, perception APIs, and Xbox Live services, enabling a familiar experience where you interact with your devices as naturally as you interact with the world around you. In the last few years, we've seen HoloLens go from a dream to reality. And now it's awesome to see customers like Lowe's, Boeing, Trimble, and so many more embracing the potential of holograms. So inspiring to see these entirely new scenarios come to life with mixed reality. And today, we want to expand what's possible. At Microsoft, we're creating devices to push the limits of what's possible and to create opportunity for our ecosystem. When we think of Surface, we think of the work we did to create the two-in-one category, now the fastest growing segment of the PC ecosystem, and it's so exciting to see devices like the Asus T100 be so successful in the two-in-one segment. So today, we're inviting all of our partners, our entire ecosystem, to join us in the world of Windows Holographic. We're opening up Windows Holographic to all of our partners to enable a future of mixed reality devices that work incredibly well together. Windows Holographic will enable you to create virtual reality devices, augmented reality devices, or anything in between. Now, to tell you more about this vision for mixed reality, please welcome Alex Kipman.
Well, hello everyone. I'm Alex Kipman, and I'm thrilled to be here with you all at Computex this year. I lead the Mixed Reality Computing Group at Microsoft. Now, our mixed reality journey started in 2015 when we announced HoloLens, the first fully untethered holographic computer. In Windows Holographic, the operating system built from the ground up to support sensors that understand you and your environment, to put you in control and at the center of a powerful mixed reality, and to give you capabilities beyond the ordinary range of perception. Now, over the last 18 months, we are starting to see what people empowered with mixed reality can do. Companies like Volvo, changing the way cars are designed. Universities like Case Western Reserve, redefining the way that medical students learn. And get this, scientists exploring the surface of Mars, all through the power of mixed reality. Earlier this year, we shipped HoloLens to developers and enterprises, and they are already deploying these mixed reality applications into production. But what is mixed reality, and why is it so important? To keep it simple, we have two universes today. One that is based on atoms and the laws of physics, and another that is based on bits or digital logic. Now, these universes have their corresponding realities, a physical reality and a virtual reality. Pretty simple, right? Now, thanks to Windows Holographic and its capabilities to understand you and your world, we can blend these realities, the virtual into the physical and the physical into the virtual, and create what we call mixed reality. Which brings us to today, and why I'm excited to be here with all of you. Mixed reality is coming to Windows PCs. Together, we will break down the barriers between virtual and physical reality. We are already seeing a ton of innovation in virtual reality displays for PCs. And the Windows Holographic technology, combined with the power of the PC and all of your virtual reality innovation, will enable for our customers new mixed reality experiences that are simply not possible on any other platform. And I'm here to invite all of you to join us in this next chapter of our journey. Together, we will have the most complete offering across the widest range of head-mounted displays, ranging from fully immersive virtual reality to fully untethered holographic computing. Are we ready to see it all in action?
Yes.
Please help me welcome on stage Margot and Scott from our mixed reality group. Hi, friends.
Today we have many different tools to create and design in 3D, but the output of these tools is limited. We are only able to view our three-dimensional creations in 2D on flat monitors. This is where mixed reality comes in, and where HoloLens and VR can transform the way we work. Now imagine I'm working on the design for a new motorcycle. This is a 3D model of what I've been creating on my PC. I can use my existing PC software and all the workflow tools my team already has, but I can see, move, and manipulate the content in 3D. This gives me greater sense of scale and dimension. But no design is ever done alone, and I need to collaborate and communicate with designers and suppliers all over the world. Now, previously, I would have had to rely on flat drawings and shared 2D files. This can lead to increased time, confusion, and errors. But now I can communicate in real time using mixed reality. Now, even if my colleague Scott isn't wearing HoloLens, Scott, who has a VR device, can see this 3D content in his virtual world.
Marco, I've got the gas tank design that we needed to finish the motorcycle. I really wanted to see it in context to the rest of your design, so let me change this a little bit. It's still just a little too big. Let me resize.
It's nice to see it all coming together. It's also good to know that we are looking at exactly the same thing, so we're not speaking in vague terms. Having Scott and I able to see the same thing across different devices, along with the 3D design, saves us time and money. Now, Scott, I know we talked through a number of different options for color, but the samples you sent over were a bit hard to picture. Can you apply those so we can see it in detail?
Sure, let's start with the base blue model. We could do that, or we could go for something a little more exciting like this.
This looks great. Can you save this version? That will automatically save the new specs so the whole team has the latest.
Sure, let me save it right now. There you go.
Thanks a lot, Scott. Now, with Windows Holographic and mixed reality, it's easy to imagine rich and productive 3D experiences across a number of different device types, from VR to holographic computing, allowing teams across any industry to work together on shared 3D designs. This will enable new mixed reality experiences not possible on any other platform. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Margot. Thank you, Scott. Innovation comes in all shapes and sizes, from tethered desktop or console experiences to portable mobile-powered ones, from opaque displays to see-through lenses and everything in between. What you just saw in this demo was our universal Windows platform, which will enable developers to target mixed reality applications destined to the broadest range of devices. By the year 2017, machines will be capable of mixed reality. And Windows 10 will enable devices to interact with each other through a single, consistent user interface, standardized input, a universal app platform for developers to target. Windows Holographic is coming to PCs, marking another very important step on our journey of interacting with computers in ever more personal ways. And I'm here to invite all of you to become part of this world. Choose a mixed reality future so that together we can create this exciting reality. A reality that will forever change the way we work, communicate, learn, and play. A reality where we bring mixed reality devices of all shapes and sizes into many aspects of our lives, so the entire ecosystem can benefit from our collective innovation. Now I'm excited that we're already working closely with our friends at HTC Vive Team and many others in the industry who want to break free of the 2D confines of traditional computing and build an ecosystem that takes advantage of all of your innovation in hardware created specifically for mixed reality. Imagine living in a world where devices can spatially map your environment, wherever you are, where manipulating digital content is as easy and natural as picking up a box or sitting at a table. A world where the operating system is devoid of input boxes or menus, and instead is personal and conversational. Imagine being able to teleport into your next meeting and travel together as a team into different business or entertainment metaverses. Presence like you have never experienced it before, bringing people closer and allowing them to go further together, making it possible for people to communicate, create, and collaborate more easily than ever before. Imagine many different types of inputs and many different types of devices. Imagine infinite innovation with one consistent developer platform. Imagine no more. Let's take a look at what the future holds for all of us. Thank you.
We're so not ready.
Should we start to panic?
Not yet. Just bring the team in, please.
I can see you're hard at work, Samir, but Penny needs your help.
Yeah, sure thing. Just let me check out this bunker real quick.
Samir, the plan's up.
As per usual. Your sense of timing is just awesome.
カイさん、ペニーが呼んでいますけど。
今すぐ行くって言ってたよね。
unforgettable.
Yeah, not exactly blowing my hair back.
Yeah, the space is driving me nuts.
Alright, how about a change of scenery?
Welcome to Maycloud.
Sound extraction, please.
Wait. Mata giri-giri na. Impressive.
That went well.
Now that's an exciting future. We're just so excited to be working with partners here at Computex. We started working with Dell, HP, Lenovo, Acer, ASUS, HTC, Qualcomm, Intel, AMD, to make possible a device ecosystem which makes this mixed reality future and those experiences possible in the not too distant future. And we welcome anyone who's interested in working on these mixed reality devices with Windows Holographic to join us at WinHack this year in Shenzhen and Taipei, where we'll be going into the next level of detail on how you can build these Windows holographic devices. So with Windows 10, we see this incredible opportunity for us to work together, to innovate and deliver great new experiences for our customers. To redefine the PC with Windows Hello and Windows Ink. To redefine gaming on the console and the desktop. To redefine IoT with the cloud and Cortana, your personal digital assistant. To enable this new world of mixed reality. We welcome you to join us and continue to bring new experiences to people all around the world. 谢谢。